Hi, since we have no class tonight in torts and damages, I will be sharing to you on how I am digesting my cases for torts and damages. So, in our class, we have group digest wherein we are contributing our digest to our group in order for us to have easier life in reciting and in preparing our digest. So basically, there are two versions of group digest that. Oh, sorry. There are two versions of digest that we are preparing. One is for the group digest, and the other one is for the digest that we are submitting to our professor. So this one, which I will be sharing to you, is for our group. This is a bit comprehensive because our professor in person damages is very meticulous when it comes to even smaller or smallest detail of the cases. For him, according to him, for him to know if we really read the cases in full text. Okay, so he actually recommended using ISCRA than Lawfield because in ISCRA the doctrines are being stated, wherein in Lawfield just the case, just the full text of the case. So yeah, so this case is about PSBA versus CA, and this is anchored in Article 2180 and 2176 of the Civil Code. So since our topic is about quasi-delics or negligence, so he gave us this case. So to start with, I'm actually the most important thing, or one of the most important thing in writing a case digest, of course, the title. That's PSBA versus CA, and then the GR number and the date. So it is very important. And for the benefit of the group members, I've written here the um, full name of the school, which is the petitioner, and of course the Court of Appeals and the other respondents. So, first, we are writing the doctrine of the case because that is very important because that is the basis of the contentions of the petitioners, and that is the basis why our professor gave us this case. So basically, this case was anchored in Article 2180 of the Civil Code and Article 2176. So here, and of course, after writing the doctrine, facts were written and also the issues. But before the issue, I am also writing the petitioner's contention where they based their petition. And again, of course, lastly, the ruling of the court. So basically, from the two issues, um, there should be an answer whether or not. So you have to answer yes or no. And of course, the last part of the digest is the dispositive portion of the case, wherein in this part, the Supreme Court states whether they affirm the decision of the Court of Appeals, or they grant the petition or they deny the petition, and also if there are any that payment for damages, those were also enumerated in the dispositive portion of the case. And lastly, the note. Yeah. So there are also included some of the provisions of the Civil Code. So that's how I digest. Sorry for the quick explanation because I have only limited time. So thank you very much for watching.